I welcome you back again to another C# program, and in this lecture we'll go ahead and look at while loop. Alright, so in C# we have what is called loop system. Loop system helps us to execute a particular program multiple times. Let's say you want to create a program that we print out from 1 to 100, and when it prints out 1, it goes out and print out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it does this to 100. You can be able to write if statement, you can say if x is equal to this, go ahead and print out y. If x is equal to this, go ahead and print out 2. If x is equal to this, go ahead and print out 3. Consider to write a very big bunch of code. Now, we have a loop system in C# program that helps us to just create this and to print out from 1 to 100 for you. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's say we have an integer variable of x to be equal to 1. I'll put a semicolon at the end, and I want to print out from 1 to 20. Go ahead and say y x is less than or equal to 20. Alright, y x less than or equal to 20, then go ahead and say console dot readline, and then go ahead and say put this to be in double quotation mark, the new value of x equal to opening brace 0 close brace, and then comma and place the value of x and place semicolon at the end. Now you have just say that x is equal to 1. Alright, now we want to increment this, so I'm going to do this step by step so you can be able to see that. I will never increment it now until I show us something. Go ahead and say console dot read key, and close that. Go ahead and press semicolon. Now, this will not move from 1 to 20 as we stated previously, because I will show us step by step as beginners to understand what you mean. At this moment, with just one line of code, we just place the value of x right here, and if you run this code, it will print out just 1. Now let's run this code and check it out. So you can see that you have just 1, continue to print out all this while. Now, you ask me, why is this continuously? Want to print 1 to 20, but it just printing out just 1 only, and it keeps printing out that. Go ahead and close that, and move right inside here, right inside the while loop. All these are the loop system, so whatever is inside this block will be executed. Go ahead and say x increment and put a semicolon at the end. Now if you go ahead and run this code, it will print 1 to 20, check it out. The new value of x is equal to 1, the new value of x is equal to 2 to 20. Alright, so if you set x less than 20, it is going to stop at 19 because it's going to be less than 20. Check it out. 1 to 19. So in this case, you can also print out from 1 to 100. Let's say 1 to 100 or 1 to anything you want. So that is it right here. You can see there, this starts from 1 and it moves down to 99 because it is less than 100. If you say x less than or equal to 100, it's going to include 100. Alright? So in this way, you can be able to execute multiple code. Not just only this alone, there are many other things you can do. Why? We move into the course div. We're going to see where we use while loop multiple times. Okay? So this is just an introduction to while loop, so you can be able to know that there is a system that is going to help you to execute a code multiple times. Alright, without writing if x is equal to this, print 1, if x is equal to that, print 2, and down to 100. If you can't write that, that means this is going to be a very big bunch of code. So now you've seen about while loop. Go ahead and put this down in your own system, play around with it, and check out more on that. If you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.